Here at News 5 tonight. Tey Tsun Hang, the law prof accused of corruption in the sex-for-grades case, was found guilty today. He was convicted on all 6 charges of corruptly obtaining gifts and sex from former student Darinne Ko. And as a result of his conviction, his employer, the National University of Singapore, has also terminated Tey's appointment.
The case centered on Tey Tsun Hang's relationship with his former student, Darinne Ko. The defense had argued it was a mutually loving relationship, but in a 200-page judgment, Chief District Judge Tan Siong Tai listed out reasons why it was one-sided and described it as an illicit relationship laced with corrupt intent. He said Tey never once mentioned in his statements that he was in love with Miss Ko. The judge said Tey only told the court they were in a romantic relationship as an afterthought. And while Miss Ko may have showered him gifts out of love and affection, the judge agreed with the prosecution that the 23-year-old was also trying to get into Tey's good books. The judge stressed whether Tey had shown favour to Miss Ko was not vital. What's important was that he could influence her grades and showed her he could in order to obtain the gifts. Another point of argument, Tey's claim that he reimbursed Miss Ko for the gifts and dinner bill with a $2,500 cheque. But the judge found this to be untrue. The judge said Tey was also dishonest not only in court but also to Miss Ko, CPIB officers and medical experts. He said a depraved Tey clearly took undue advantage of Miss Ko. In mitigation, Tey's lawyer, Peter Low, asked for a stiff fine. He said if the court had to give a custodial sentence to make it a short one. During the hearing, Tey was seen listening intently to the judge as he sat in the dock with his head bowed low. Once the session was over, Tey was greeted by his supporters, most of whom are his colleagues. They were visibly upset with his conviction and teared when they hugged him. Tey will be sentenced on Wednesday.